In the warm, comfortable snow den, a hibernating polar bear mother gave birth to her cubs in her sleep. The birthing process caused her almost no pain. The mother bear didn't even wake up. But before long, the hungry cubs were crying out, finally waking the sleeping mother bear. The mother bear instinctively licked her babies. Hearing their cries, her milk began to flow. Polar bear milk is extremely nutritious, with a fat content more than 10 times higher than human milk, allowing the cubs to gain more than 10 times their birth weight before leaving the den. But winter wasn't over yet. Outside was desolate. The mother bear and her 2 cubs still had to stay in the den for more than 3 months. During this time, the mother bear could only rely on her own stored fat to feed the cubs. For this, she had to burn nearly 1 kilogram of fat every day. Finally, the Arctic's first ray of sunlight drove away the long night. The polar bear family ended their hibernation. The mother bear led the way out of the snow den. The round, chubby cubs also poked their heads out. This was their first time seeing the outside world. The mother bear needed to hurry and find food. But trouble was quietly approaching. A male polar bear searching for a mate followed the tracks of the mother bear's family. He was twice the size of the mother bear. The mother bear immediately became alert, because male bears, in order to mate with females, sometimes cruelly kill young cubs. Seeing the male bear closing in, the mother bear told her children to hide quickly while she went to lure the male bear away. As the distance from her children grew, the cubs became increasingly anxious and restless. At that moment, another male bear arrived. To compete for mating rights, they immediately started fighting. The mother bear seized the opportunity to escape with her children. The coast was still far away. Adult polar bears can walk 80 kilometers a day, but for cubs, even walking 16 kilometers is extremely exhausting. Worse still, the cubs were getting hungry. To have an adequate milk supply, a polar bear mother needs to eat at least 2 seals per week, but catching agile seals is extremely difficult. Seals usually rest facing into the wind to detect dangerous scents from behind, while also being able to observe danger from the front. When they spot a polar bear approaching, seals immediately dive into ice holes to escape. In the ice and snow-covered Arctic, there is on average less than 1 seal per square kilometer, so finding them is already difficult enough. Fortunately, polar bears have a keen sense of smell. They can even sniff out seals hiding beneath the ice. With the help of the wind, the mother bear locked onto her target from several kilometers away. Following this scent, she slowly approached. As the target drew closer, the mother bear slowed her pace, carefully sizing up her prey. The seal seemed to have detected the potential threat, but in its moment of hesitation, the mother bear was already within striking distance. The mother bear succeeded. This was the first seal she had caught in half a year. The little ones were thrilled to see the food their mother brought back. This would be their first taste of food other than mother's milk, and the mother bear could finally catch her breath a bit. At least for the next 3 days, they wouldn't have to worry about food.